Cold calling is dead. If you're following the old marketing methods in 2022, the chances are your competitors are going to crush you and your business. Hey, this is Anouk Menon with Confianz Global here in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're sticking to old methods of marketing and sales in 2022, the chances are your competitors are going to crush you and your business in 2022. Below are 5 tips for growing your business by doing the sales and marketing the right way. Number 1, become a media company first and then whatever else you do. Let me give you an example. If you're a heating and air conditioning company, you have to be a media company first. When I say becoming a media company, you have to use the power of social media to record all the videos around like heat pumps, how to maintain your air conditioning or the heat pump, everything. Like you have to share valuable content across all social media all the time. Let me explain why I talk about you have to be a media company first. If you want to sell to millennials and Generation Z, these are the people who are actually completely depending on the internet. So the more content, the more valuable content that you make and share on all your social media channels, including YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere, that will get their attention. And the most important thing is when you actually put out like media out there, do not expect anything in return. Provide valuable information or content without expecting anything in back. Number 2, invest in a good website and SEO. You need to have a beautiful, well-designed and responsive website for your business, and you have to invest money on search engine optimization. In today's world, everybody is looking for your service on the internet. If you are not on the first page of Google, then they are not going to find you. When I say search engine optimization, either you have to hire somebody in-house or you have to outsource this to a reputable company where your keywords will be ranking on the first page of Google. Keep in mind that people are not going to search for your brand name on Google unless you are a national brand. Their searches will be as simple as air conditioning repair near me. If you actually rank for keywords like that as a heating and air conditioning company, you'll get a lot of local business right from Google. Number 3, build and improve your brand. Branding is not what you tell people about your business. It is what they think about your business when they interact with your logo or they interact with your ad campaign or when they see your brand name. It's that feeling, it's an emotion that people feel when they hear about or see your brand. Number 4, make your customer service the best as possible. Think about this way, everybody is lazy these days. There's a reason that there are apps for a million things that people can do easily. Doing business with you should be as easy as possible. Whether it's scheduling an appointment or after service or whether it's like providing feedback and how they pay you, all these things should be as simple as possible. You make it hard, the customers are going for those businesses that actually provide a simple way of doing business with them. Also, always have customers give you feedback once you complete a sale. Number 5, this is the most important thing you should be doing for your marketing and sales. Build your own email list. The most valuable asset for any business today is the fact that it's your data that you hold, right? When I say build an email list, do not go and buy some email list from some other company, okay? You want your prospective customers or customers to give you emails in exchange of something that is good for them. For example, if you're looking for adding like another 500 people to your email list who are prospective customers in the future, give them a really valuable white paper or some kind of a case study that they can learn about doing business with you or something about your industry in general. And when they download that from your website, they have to give you their valuable email address. Now, this will actually continuously build the email list for you, but the most important thing you have to keep in mind is do not spam any of these people. You have to send them newsletters which is like really valuable content, maybe once a week or once a month, depending on your industry, but never ever spam them. I hope this video was helpful. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we release new videos. Thank you. We appreciate your time.